morning, everyone. Happy Vlogmas Day 3. What's up, guys? I'm about to head off for my double today, but I figured we should open the calendar before I go because I'm not sure how much time I'm gonna have tonight when I come back. So let's see what we got. All right, so number 3 is this cute little fox. If I can get him to open. Jeez Louise, I cannot get him to open. Okay, let me put you down for a second. Okay, that one was really stuck on there. I had to use a cable to open it up. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna guess that it's this one at the bottom. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. It's a little fox with the snow and his scarf. That is so adorable. This is probably my favorite pair so far. Oh my gosh. So I'm off on a double today. I'm actually learning how to be a bartender this morning, and then I'm working as a server tonight, so I'm excited. I got a horrible night of sleep last night. Nala kept like taking up a lot of room on the bed and jumping up, and we kept trying to push her off and she would just jump back on. And then this morning, like at 8 o'clock, they started like mowing the lawn out here. It was so loud. And then Nala woke me up an hour early to take her to the bathroom. So that is how this morning is going so far. Not great, but I'm gonna make it an effort to be a great day. And I still have a lot of stuff to do probably tonight when I get back. I need to do the dishes, my laundry. I need to paint my nails. And I have the Vlogmas Day 2 going up right now. And then I've got to edit this one tonight. So, yay, Vlogmas. All right, so I just downloaded the latest What We Said podcast episode to listen to on my drive to work. It's actually a really quick drive. It's like 15 minutes, so I'll be listening to it for the next couple of days. But What We Said podcast is like my favorite podcast ever. So if you listen to any podcast, let me know down below because I'm trying to find better podcasts. Not like better than What We Said, but like better podcasts than the others I've been listening to because some of them are really, really bad, and What We Said is like the only one I really like. I think I might try to find one that like teaches you a language or something, because I feel like that'd be a good use of my time in the car, is learning a new language, because I really would like to know like a base of like a lot of languages. That way I can kind of navigate in the world, just like, you know, common stuff like where's the bathroom, you know, I'm a vegetarian, things like that to know for when we go to other countries. So anyway, just let me know down below, and I'll see you guys honestly probably after work. So friends, I actually got a break. I wasn't expecting to get a break today, so I am about to head home. Blake was really craving Chick-fil-A, and honestly, I'm really craving some mac and cheese, and Chick-fil-A's mac and cheese is really good. So I'm currently in the line for Chick-fil-A, and if you've seen my videos in the past, you know that this window on my car doesn't work. But a couple weeks ago when my sister was with me and her boyfriend was here, he like somehow rolled down the window, and now it works. So I'm so excited. This is my first time going through drive-thru with a working window in probably years, since I like first got this car when I was 16. So I'm very, very excited, if you can't tell. What's up, guys? I just got off of my second shift at work. Earlier, I literally ate my Chick-fil-A, and Blake was like, do you want to watch The Last Jedi? I was like, oh, I can't. I've got to do laundry. I've got to paint my nails. I've got to do this. I've got to do that. So he put on National Treasure 2, and I literally passed out. I was so tired. So I took a little cat nap, and then I just finished my shift at work. So anyway, it's super, super cold outside, so I'm about to go take a super, super warm shower and make some super, super yummy dinner. If you have never tried the salad kit, you have to try it. It is our favorite by far. So, so, so delicious. We literally buy like 2 or 3 packs a week because we go through them so fast. But I'm gonna eat that, and then I have my Gardein chicken cooking over here. Yum yum. And I'm eating some leftover fries from last night and a LaCroix. How beautiful are you by the Christmas tree? Just a little Christmas puppy. By the way, Nala keeps going up to her stocking and sniffing it because she can smell the treats in there. But I keep telling her you have to wait till Christmas. Christmas you can open your stocking. You can't open it now. You can't open it now. That would be naughty.
Yeah. You see where this Jeep is at right up here, this kind of beige colored Jeep? That is the parking spot where Mr. Eichel had his car parked. Does this look familiar to you? I mean, I don't remember most of what happened.
Nala,
And you and Ryan
I love you.
robberies at all prior to this?
Do you love me? Do you love me?
It was actually a really nice day.
I love you.
From school.
You're the best doggy in the world.
There was a car behind me. This big Tahoe. You know, these two big guys.
Phase 10.
Dad and my stepmom, if you're watching this, you have created a monster. He will not get off this game.
It's addicting, okay?
He is very addicted.
Don't hate, appreciate.
So guys, the most exciting part of my day, about to fold this pile of laundry. And while I fold, I'm gonna watch Hannah Montana because I have been binging since it came on Disney Plus. And there are some serious first world problems happening right now because there is so much to watch. The Crown, the new season is on. Vlogmas. I have so many YouTube videos I need to catch up on. Everything on Disney Plus. And then Marvelous Miss Maisel comes out on Sunday. I just don't even know how to pick. But I decided for Hannah Montana. So everyone, I'm all ready for bed. I just got my nails painted and I'm just relaxing, watching Hannah Montana, laying with Nala, and I'm gonna edit this vlog and then head to bed. So anyway, sorry today's vlog was a little boring. I kind of expected a couple of vlogs to be a little boring because I do work a lot, but I'm gonna try to keep it interesting for you guys. If it does get to the point where I feel like I'm just making videos just to make videos, I probably will just post once a week again instead of doing Vlogmas. So we'll see. But tomorrow's going to be a really, really, really fun day. Me and my sister-in-law are going somewhere super, super, super exciting. So stay tuned for that tomorrow. And I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!